Today will be an interesting day. I am in China, to be exact, in Shanghai, and there are two shops I really want to show you. The first one is called Inno100 and it has all the consumer tech you could imagine, like 3D printers, resin printers, UV printers, CNC machines, robotic. Here we got some kind of real smart bed. I don't think it's working right now. The second store I want to show you is the first and only Bambu Lab store in the world, at least at the moment. And by the way, behind me there's a drone delivery station. Oh, it's just happening. I can't believe I'm capturing this on camera. So this is the drone with the food. Then the box goes inside of this housing or machine and then the drone leaves again. It's so easy. And then you have this code you just put into the machine and there's your food. It also comes in these recycled boxes. That was exciting. Anyways, the second store I wanted to show you is the first and only Bambu Lab store in the world, at least at the moment. I went there yesterday already and they printed something for me. Super nice. I do collaborate with someone from Shenzhen. He makes the hardware, you make the 3D print. I think it's a pretty cool product, but you will see it later. Anyways, I'm excited, so let's head there. One really interesting fact, I think, is that the subway has moderate temperature and low temperature. So you can really decide on which temperature you want in the subway. I'm so impressed by the amount of cameras you find in China. It's absolutely incredible. You could also go out with face unlock by just doing this, but I'm not Chinese citizen, so I can't do it. For me, it's just the simple QR code. Easy peasy. By the way, I came here yesterday by night, and if you get a chance to see this area by night, yes, definitely yes. This whole area is just so futuristic. It's amazing. This is exactly my place. Inno100. They have two areas. This is area number 1 and this is area number 2. We will obviously check out both. And here you can see it already. 3D printed pictures with the UV printer. You will see in a second. And these pictures really have some depth to it because they do have a pattern. You can really feel it. H2D, P2S, H2C, A1, Snapmaker, and I think it's like $500 US over here. A really expensive but also a really cool looking CNC machine. And here we have it, the first commercial UV printer. I think you call it UV. They work with Anchor together and you can print things like this. This is literally real texture. You can also hear the difference. These magnets are also all 3D printed with a UV printer and they do have some real texture to it. You can print everything, like things on top of phone cases. It's so amazing. And all kinds of wooden textures. I think it's pretty cool. Here we got some kind of real smart bed which is able to adjust the mattress for you. I don't think it's working right now. We got different kinds of t-shirt printing machines. Also interesting, I wouldn't buy it, but it's a foldable projector which projects over here. And these stripes are just on the video, they do not exist in real life. Let's check out the other store. You got laser engravers over here, but I think more interesting is this robot, which is just remote controlled at the moment and just walking around. Yes, they have the electric suitcases. If there's any company out there who wants to sponsor me with an electric suitcase, I would love to make a review. I think it works. Yes. They're kind of fast. This is pretty cool. Baby care light, please collab. This machine is a wind canal for your car. Oh, it actually works. These are the Quark smart glasses, I think, from Alibaba. I can literally read Chinese and English at the same time. So if someone speaks Chinese to me, I can just read what they say, but I just can't reply. That's the problem.
你来这里干嘛？你最喜欢这里哪款产品
Did you ask me what I like to eat?
No, that was not what I said. 你是从哪里来的？
You asked me where I'm from?
Yeah.
I'm not American.
德国 German.
Yeah. I found this really light mouse, which is also good for not getting sweaty hands, I guess. It also has this rechargeable battery you can just take out over here, and it just snaps back in place with magnets. It's super lightweight, it's crazy. I do not know how expensive it is, but it comes in this case, so it must be expensive. That was pretty fun. I really enjoy nerdy places like this. And where are we? We are just in front of the Bambu Lab studio, Bambu Lab shop. And we got Christmas music everywhere, which is really nice in December. And Bambu Lab chose to have a really nice area to put their store. And let's go inside. This is Adam, by the way. I just met him. He's super cool, and he's also a 3D printing and tech nerd. In the background, you can see children there getting taught about 3D printers. So Bambu Lab is growing the young generation and tells them 3D printers are amazing. You have a maker world and maker wall over here. So you do see the designers get credits, and they have actually some of their prints over here. I think it's really cool. It's not my kind of style to wear these kind of handbags, but it's possible to print this. And of course you got all the printers here, the P2S, the H2S, H2D, H2C with the Vortex system. Hey, how's it going? Oh, did it work? So yesterday I didn't manage to explain you properly what Bambu Lab actually printed for me. That's why I'm doing it from here. If you hear some weird music from there, people singing from their karaoke, or some weird instrument from there. See, I wasn't kidding. It's China. So I got my hands on a Makesenkeyboard keyboard, which is this thing. It's a naked keyboard, meaning it doesn't have a frame. There are a few things that really excite me about this keyboard. It's obviously the quality, it's the sound. However, when you buy it, it is not complete yet, meaning we needed some 3D prints. And we will install it right now. We have two half bottom plates, a huge battery which is supposed to last up to 5 months. That just goes in here. We just connect the wires. At the moment, I think there are 7 designs you can download for free. However, the intention is that the community build their own cases. It just gives you some customization, and I love customization. For now, I chose the cheese design, which we just plug in here. This is the side of the keyboard. You print these connectors, so there are no screws or anything needed. They just snap into place. Perfect. And we got our cheese keyboard. I think it's a pretty dope looking design, but I can't wait to make my own design. It also comes with a USB connector. It's Windows and Apple compatible. I really enjoy this product, otherwise I wouldn't tell you about it. Next year they will have a German layout, because I kept telling the company we need a German layout. Anyways, back to Bambu Lab. No way, it worked. I think it's also a really nice Christmas present for a lot of people who like to print and build things.
It reminds me of Tom and Jerry.
Good, the sound is good. And the feel is really nice. The spacebar is good.
You play games, right?
Yeah, I'm playing keyboard, customized keyboard.
This was it from the Bambu Lab store. The Christmas music is really vibing. I hope it's not copyright. Thank you Bambu Lab and Dr. Tao for letting me print on your printer. If you are interested in a Makesenkeyboard keyboard, the link will be down in the description. And if you're still here and you are enjoying the Christmas music vibe as much as I do, feel free to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon. If you get a chance to see this area by night, definitely come here by night. And if you get the chance to see this area by Christmas, definitely come here around Christmas.